Fuck! Fuck! This was awesome, mate! This was the best fucking racing I ever had in my life! The best fucking racing, and fucking hell, Mercedes! You should not leave this championship! You fucking idiots! You should not leave this championship! This is racing! Fuck, yes!
Timo, what a fucking race. I cannot believe what you did today. Unbelievable. The guys are freaking out here. Fuck. Crazy.
So Timo.
I tell you, this is racing! Fuck, mate! It's unreal! This is unreal! Bloody hell! Well done to Gary Paffett to have such a fight. Fucking hell! Massively thanks to everyone who watched this race today. This is awesome! Thanks Olaf for a great car all weekend long. Thank you Benny. Thanks to my car crew. Fuck mate, this is unreal. This is unbelievable. That's why I love this sport. That's why I love this sport. Holy shit.
Yeah, today you made the Kampfdackel really good.